Welcome back. Today we're going to look to assign an IP address on Junos interface. And let's take a look first what we have. We have gig 001 interface and we're going to assign IPv4 address on that. Inside Junos we have various ways of assigning IP address. First of all is we can drop down to the actual interface hierarchy. In this case it's gig 001, so we're going to go inside edit interfaces gig 001. Unit is actually a designation that Junos uses to allow multiple logical interfaces to be configured on a single physical interface. So in this case unit 0 is the first one. It doesn't have to be 0, but that's a default, so we're going to go in and use a set command to assign IP address. So basically the family inet means it's a IPv4 address, and we're going to give 20.20.21/24. When we run a command show compare, it's going to show us the difference between what is being added in the config and what was there before. In our case there was no config before, so plus sign means that the new config has been added. We're going to commit the config. Use show command to take a look at the config, so we can see that the IP address is assigned of 20.20.21/24 to the interface gig 001. Now we are within the hierarchy of edit interfaces gig 001 unit 0, but if we want to go one level up, we can type up and that will take us up one stage up. But if we want to go all the way up to the root of the hierarchy, which is the top level, we can use top command. Let's take a look at another way of assigning IP address in Junos. We can use set command to set IP address without dropping down to the interface level from the top of the root, and in this case we're going to use set interfaces command, interface number unit 0, family inet, and address 20.20.21/24. We're going to commit the config. And show display set is going to give us a display of the config in a different format. If you used to Cisco iOS, this is a display set format. So we can see that the IP address is there. To remove the IP address in Junos, we use delete command, and then we're going to use interface number, unit, family inet, and the address that we want to remove. And we commit the config. We're going to run the same command again, show config in display set format, and we see that the IP address is no longer on the interface. Thank you.